Welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach from electricalexamcoach.com. And in this exciting video, we're going to teach you how to tab your 2026 NEC, page by page, tab by tab. You can pick these tabs up using the link in the description below, or just head over to electricalcodecoach.com. If you don't want to tab it yourself, you can also purchase tabbed and highlighted code books. The 2017, 2020, 2023, and now offering the 2026, tabbed and highlighted. Let's get to it. Our tabs are going to come with two sheets. We're going to want to set this one to the side and start with our T to Z tab sheet. This is going to be the one that we start with, and we always start in the back of the book. I'm going to show you how to apply the first few, and then I'm just going to show you the page numbers, and you're going to continue with that process. So let's go ahead and learn how to install these. First, you're going to find where you're at in the code book. Your first tab is going to go on page 991. We're going to take our tab, and when we peel it off, it's going to be sticky on this side. So what we need to do is we need to take and do what's called combing the book. You want to, every time you put a tab, you comb the book flat, make sure that all your edges line up, and you're going to want to start about 3/4 of an inch off of the bottom of the book. If not, it tends to rip. Then we're going to do our next one, which is our R to S tab. So we're just going to flip over and get to R and S. And you can decide where you want to put these. Each one of them is different. Some people like to draw from the left or draw from the right. I like to go all the way to where the R's start and do it there. You can place them anywhere that you like. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to grab my tab. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb my book again. And I'm going to line this up. And I set it just above the previous one. I don't overlap them. I want it just above. And I'm going to continue on up all the way to the top. Then when I get to the top 3/4, I'll put my last one. And then you just start back down at the bottom and work your way up. Now let's take it page by page. T to Z, 991. R through S, 983. N through Q, 977. Pause the video in between each one as you need to. L through M, 971. H through K, 965. F through G, 959. D through E, 953. C, 945. A and B, 941. Annex D, 905. Annex C, 845. Chapter 9, Table 8, 791. Chapter 9, Table 5, 785. Chapter 9, Table 4, 781. Fire alarms, 767. And you may be at the top of your page. That's okay. If you're not, go ahead and put another one. But all you have to do is start back here at the bottom. 750, 761. Article 725, 759. Article 722, 731. Article 720, 723. Article 706, 715. Article 705, 709. Article 702, 707. Article 700, 695. Article 695, 689. Article 690, 673. Section 680.26, 663. Article 680, 655. Article 625, 627. Article 600, 601. Article 590, 595. Article 555, 593. Article 550, 567. And you'll find that some of these, depending on how the pages land, you can land it on the page before or the page after that I did, depending on how you like to pull your tabs. Once you come across some, you'll see what I mean. Article 517, 529. Article 501, 443. Article 500, 441. Article 450, 421. Article 445, 419. Article 440, 413. Table 430.248, 411. Table 430.52, 397. Section 430.22, 391. Article 430, 385. Article 424, 369. Article 422, 363. Article 410, 355. Article 408, 349. Article 406, 339. Article 404, 337. Article 400, 321. Article 392, 309. Article 376, 301. Article 358, 289. Article 356, 287. Article 352, 281. Article 350, 279. Article 348, 277. Article 344, 275. Article 340, 273. Article 338, 271. Article 334, 267. I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video. It's StackMax. They are the #1 solution in stacking, racking, storing, and pulling your wire. They solve so many of my problems when it comes to having broken reels and not being able to pull them. Pick one up for 14 gauge, 12 gauge, and 10, and you will be able to pull anything like an absolute beast. Head over to stackmax.com and use the coupon code COACH to save 10%. Let's get to it. Article 330, 263. Article 320, 259. Section 314.28, 241. Table 314.16, 237. $312, 231. Table 310.16, 227. Article 310, 217. Article 300, 199. Table 250.122, 157. Table 250.102, 153. Table 250.66, 149. Article 250, 137. Article 242, 133. Section 240.21, 125. Section 240.6a and Table 240.6a, 123. Article 240, 121. Article 230, 111. Article 225, 109. Article 215, 107. Section 210.52, 103. Section 210.12, 97. Section 210.8, 95. Article 210, 93. Article 200, 91. Article 130, 89. Article 120, 79. Table 110.26, 71. Article 100, 27. Article 90, 25. And table of contents, page 3. I am the electrical code coach, and my bargain is that these videos will add value to you, and you will in turn add value to others. If there's anything you need from me in life or business, you can always just email me at electricalcodecoach@gmail.com. Let's get to it.